Pam and Gilbert of Two Bikes for Adventure. We've been touring on folding bikes for more than a decade. When we are out and about on our folding bikes, whether at home or abroad, we attract a certain amount of attention. We get looks, even double takes, and when we stop, we get questions. We're happy to be approached to talk about our bikes and clear up common misconceptions. There are 7 very popular questions, most of which can be answered in a few words. The following are the easiest to answer. Is this a folding bike? Yes, it is. If we have the chance, we'll often demonstrate the fold. How much does it weigh? It's about 12 kilos or 26 pounds. We sometimes encourage them to lift it to test the weight. A variation on this question is, how much does it weigh when it's folded? We know better than to reply with, it's the same as when it's not folded. We are much happier when people ask, as opposed to just walking up without a word of greeting and lifting up the bike, which has also happened. Do you have to pedal faster because of the small wheels? No, there's no need to pedal faster because, unlike a child-sized bike, it is properly geared. How many speeds does it have? We explain the number of gears, either 3 or 6, depending which model we are riding, and give an idea of what gears we use in which circumstances. How far can you travel in a day? On a trip, we travel from 50 to 100 kilometers per day, 30 to 60 miles. We qualify that by explaining that we cycle at a relaxed speed and like to stop frequently. Other cyclists' mileage may vary. How much does it cost? We usually quickly explain the difference between a cheap, low-quality folder and a higher-end model, and then between buying a used older bike and a new custom one, and tell them that they can expect to pay at least $1,000 for a good quality new folding bike that is appropriate for touring. These are the 6 most common questions we hear. There's another question, however, that necessitates a more detailed answer. That is, why tour on a folding bike when a full-size bicycle would be a lot easier? We'll dedicate a separate video to answering just that one. We hope that we're inspiring people to discover how much fun it can be to travel by folding bike.